I have created a smartphone class and now discuss how it encapsulated data and methods. I defined a class name smartphone that acts as a blueprint for creating smartphone objects. This init method act as a constructor, initialized attributes like brand, model, screen size, storage capacity, battery level, and list to store photos. Notice that the use of underscore before some attributes like brand, storage capacity, screen size, like that, they are considered private attributes. While technically accessible from outside the data, it is a convention to avoid modifying them directly. The class provides various methods like make call, send text, take a photo, play music, check battery. These are considered as method. These method control how to smartphone functionality is accessed and used. We have separate get store capacity and set store capacity method for controlled access and validation of storage capacity changes. We defined explicit getter method, example get brand, get model, like that, to provide read-only access to private attributes. Also, we use property decorator to create a property for screen size, achieving a getter-like behavior. We create two smartphone objects, iPhone and Samsung, class with their specific detail. We called a method like make call, send text, take photo, and play music on the object to simulate smartphone functionality. We use check battery method. We use check battery method to display the battery level also, and we access the private attribute, brand, model, and screen size using the properties we created, promoting a safer way to retrieve this data. And we demonstrate the set storage capacity method to attempting to increase the iPhone storage. The setter ensures the new capacity is valid before updating it, and this example showcases how encapsulation helps build robust and maintainable code for real-world objects like smartphone. Now we can run this code and you can see making a call to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Sending a text to number, hello, how are you? Photo taken and store, playing music, battery level, Apple phone, storage capacity.